Now I'm going to put a sell limit there.
Order pending.
Just to make sure that I'm not losing a pattern. Because it seems to lose a little bit of momentum there. I'm not sure whether it goes. You can't be overconfident all the time yet. So I'm not sure if we hit the target. Grab my profit. Yeah. Not as greedy. In this setup, I just cannot make a loss because if it's going to drop, I make a profit. If it is going up, I make a profit. So either way, I'm making a profit. But I just cannot maximize my profit. Get all the way up there. It's always good to get the money in the pocket first. So it's only 2 more pips, then I can fill my order for the 18 pip profit. It's good, $1,000. Nothing wrong with it. If you look at the MACD reading, just now the MACD was pointing at 5 point something. Now it's pointing at 4.88. So that means it's sort of start losing a little bit of momentum now. So if you want to make a little bit more, might as well, like lower your expectation for another sort of few points. And I'm going to put a 2 contract there. So I'm going to do a put at that point.
Order pending.
You never know because, all of a sudden it might just, boom, got all the way up to 19760 or above, it just happened all of a sudden, everything. So it's always good to have a stop loss, somewhere. And no matter how far your stop loss is, you always put a stop loss somewhere. So once I fill the order, I'm going to put a stop loss somewhere at the top. I'll put the stop loss there, and then I can go to the toilet now.
Order pending.
Future for the other contract there. If it's hit 19741, then I'm going to put an put contract there. Then that's a stop loss. Okay, here you go, fill. 1 more pips.
Order filled.
Okay, now I got a put contract now. So I better sort of like so move this target here, and that's a stop loss. Okay, so all of a sudden if the price jump, I put it further up there. Somewhere there, 64. Yeah, that's fair enough because that's the resistance line there. So I end up like make up the losses of the previous contract because I lost some pips on a previous contract because I pulled out at 16. So this is 2 contract now, which I have a look at the profit. Since we've got a little bit of time. So profit so far. Oh, I only $100, better off because of the commissions. Right, if you look at the MACD for this 12 range bar chart, is sort of dropped to 3.81. It's sort of climbing down, and see the whip there is a shooting star whip, same as that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop further down if I can't. If it's going to bounce up, then tough. At least I'm not losing a penny. See that? Either way, I'm making a profit. I'm going to cancel my
Order cancelled.
stop there because I know that there is no adequate momentum to go up. I just don't want to waste a chance. Put a stop loss there.
Order pending.
Let's widen the chart. So very likely if the price going past the 55 mark, then it will just jump up. See, this is all these collective momentum there. So you've got to be extremely careful about it, where you're placing a stop. It might just boom, zoom up like that. I'm going to move that back. Foolproof again. If you look at the faster chart there, I think I'm going to cash in a lot earlier on. See that? It might go back up again. See that whip there? So I'm going to place one of the stop there. Not as greedy. You worry, just cash in now at 28. Still good 14 points, 27. Yeah, I'll move a little bit. Doesn't matter, I'm not greedy. And here you go.
Order filled.
Just fill the order. So cancel that order there.
Order cancelled.
Shit, I think I pressed the wrong button. What's happened now? I better close everything.
Order filled.
I pressed the wrong button just now. Yeah, lucky enough, I'm not making a loss. So because I pressed the wrong button, therefore I make sort of less, but at least I put in some more. So if you look at the executions, so far there's only one trade I lost, all winning trades. See, this is the reason why I pulled out. It's climbing back up again. Somehow I got a feeling the market just want to go back up again. It's quite reluctant to go down. So yeah, I think I make the right move again. Have a look at the MACD. It's go up to 6 now. It's time to check the Euro and the rest of the world market performance. Europe is down, FTSE is down, Dow Jones Futures is down. Let's have a look at Japan. Japan is down 70 so far at 2 o'clock. We'll see what's happened now. Very glad that I pulled out because it went up again. MACD at 6.83. It's not got to a stage which is overbought yet. So still plenty of momentum, still plenty of room to go up. As mentioned earlier on, when it's go past that 50 mark, then it will just jump up like that. This is what I'm saying. So now what I'm going to do is look for a space, then I'm going to put. And I'm quite sure once it gets to somewhere, it will just stop. I would say that at 19820, then I would do a put there.
Order pending.
Trust me, it will just hit that point. I'm going to change my strategy. I'm going to do a call at this level.
Order pending.
At 197.83. And I'm going to sell at 198.73.
Order pending.
I changed it to 198.00 for the call. I better put a stop somewhere there because still plenty of momentum to go up. You know, if you look at both the MACD, it's not dying down. There's 27.37. It's sort of like hard to say. Don't trust it. I'm gonna put a stop there. Got in, but I'm gonna put a stop at sell. Then I'm gonna buy stop limit. It's just one contract.
Order pending.
Confidence. I'm gonna move it further down. I'm gonna move that further down to 63, just 64, just in case it bounds up again. It will zoom at any time. Order, because I do not believe all that stuff, you know.
Order cancelled.
I sort of like, I thought make a loss, doesn't matter, because it would just jump up all of a sudden. See, I just do not trust it. See, it's actually a pump up to 19883 without any reasons. So this is, I make the right move again. Okay, it's going to hit the 1900 marks. Just put a contract there, sell contract at 19913. Buy stop limit at 19946. 54. Look at a 24 range bar, sort of 18 range bar. See that the volume is all of a sudden, I reckon they just want to put the underlying HSI to 1900 just to bust up some bear contract, and it can go up to 20,000. I mean, because who knows? So the MACD seems to calm down a little bit. It's actually went up to 25 just now for that MACD over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cash in a little bit because, you know, I'm going to close it now.
Order cancelled.
Because it will sort of like, it will move further up, you know, today. I don't think it will sort of go below that mark today, you know. Very likely it's going to finish very high today. So I'm going to buy it when it's go back up again. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to do a short, you know, when it's go back up again. So I stopped the contract at 199.892, which I sold it at, with a short at 199.14. I'm going to buy it back in a minute. I reckon it's go back up to 198.92. I won't place anything yet. So what's the position now? I don't have anything there, and I've made 4,500.